Genuine public service from the heart. Telling stories to educate, move, inspire. We are Panay News, the #1 regional newspaper. 4 decades and counting, Panay News has positioned itself on the forefront of adversarial journalism and upholding press freedom and public interest. Today, we are still on a mission to gather and spread fast, fresh, and accurate news daily. Ever since its establishment on April 7, 1981, Panay News is the only Monday to Sunday newspaper in Western Visayas that covers the widest reach in most cities and provinces in the region, reaching every sector in the community through our stories. We are invested to foster the safety, security, and welfare of our people, who in turn carries our brand with great pride and company spirit. Behind news that is reliable and complete is a strong workforce of competent and multi-skilled individuals working with state-of-the-art machines. We are the only newspaper in Western Visayas using web printing and computer-to-plate technology, capable of printing 70,000 folded newspapers per hour. Through our innovative business practices, quality products and services, customer concern, ethical business image, value proposition, and pricing, we have been recognized for numerous awards as Best Regional Newspaper. This is what shaped Panay News today. We take pride to be the top-of-mind newspaper to readers in the region, and we continue to lead throughout the history of print media industry in Western Visayas through our content, whether in printed or digital form, and as we strive to become the country's most preferred local newspaper. We will continue to tell stories that educate, move, and inspire our readers, providing genuine public service that comes from the heart of our people. And that is, and always will be, the core being of our business. We are Panay News, the #1 regional newspaper.